Well, hey everybody, I have the C6 Corvette here. It's a base, and I noticed the other day two things. One, I washed the car, and there was a bunch of water collecting up here, right on this windshield dash thing, whatever you call this. And that was kind of strange. I don't really, know what causes that, but I assume that there's probably some kind of draining system in here. And so I did some research online. I found a YouTube video made by CNS Corvettes where they said it applies to the C5 and the C6, but they actually showed you a C5 with all of the body off, and they showed you where the vents were. The vents are where the water drains, right? So the water was collecting on this side, and I checked the driver's side first. The driver's side is really hard. Basically, what you do, you have to take the wheel off. You take off this, I guess, fender cover thing right here. How this comes off, there's a bunch of these pins. They go in all along here. And these pins, you pull out the pin, and then you can pull out the root from the panel. So to pull out this pin, I just use this guy from Harbor Freight. And then to pull out the root from the panel, to allow the panel to come off, I use this guy. I try to use this thing to get the pin out of the root, and it doesn't work well. This tool is just, it's a good investment, guys. It's a lot easier than using a flathead. You don't break things as often. It's just a good investment. But anyways, you take this off. On the driver's side of the C6, there will be a windshield wiper reservoir right here for the windshield wiper fluid. You put your hand over that, and there is a vent. I wish I could get my camera in there, but I can't. I actually have an inspection camera, which I also got from Harbor Freight. I couldn't find this to save my life. But through the Harbor Freight inspection camera, I just saw this little plastic thing, or rubber thing, with a part number on it. So I took that part number, I Googled it, and guess what? It said GM Genuine Vent. So I'm like, okay, cool. It's literally a piece of rubber that, pretend this is the driver's side. The piece of rubber is like a little rectangle, and you can flip it and put your hand in there. Again, you're gonna have to feel around. I promise it's there. If you have trouble finding it, like I did, even with the inspection camera when I found it, I took a bottle of Gatorade, I just poured it here, and I waited to see it drip, and I just felt where the fluid was coming out of, and that worked great. Now, in my case, that was completely clear over there. But remember, the water was piling up on this side. So, on this side, there's actually a little, I don't know what you call this, like an extended nipple thing to forward the water. There's not just a vent like the other side. So you can't hear it, but you can probably see it. There's a bunch of leaves and crap in here, and this is most likely what's causing the problem. But, I'm trying to figure out where this actually vents from. I don't know if it's in the corner here or if it's by the motor, but the reason why this makes me nervous with the water is because there are a lot of electronics around this area. Obviously, you don't want to create a swamp by your windshield wiper motors. That's just asking to kill them. But also, electronics-wise, you got your battery. All of the computer modules are right underneath the battery. There's the common battery acid issue to look for. Battery acid, as soon as that stuff starts dripping, it's going right on top of a bunch of important electronics. And it just, I don't want to have water sitting above that stuff either. So that's what prompted this investigation. And just because I'm curious, let's take this water. It's a Gatorade bottle, I promise it's water. Start in the corner. Yeah, I don't think. Yeah, okay. So that just vents somewhere else. That doesn't even go through the vent. All right, that makes sense. And then we'll try that area. Huh. Okay. Maybe I'll try in here. There we go. There we go. Okay, so which one was that? I'm gonna dump this. Huh. There we go. Okay, there's the water coming. So that tells me this is by the windshield wiper motor. So that's a stay drip. If I dump the rest of this right in there, in a couple seconds we should see this pick up. There it goes, there it goes. Okay, so that answers that question, guys. The drains are officially attached to right here and right over there in that corner. And again, it makes sense because that's where the water was collecting. So cool. And you know, while I'm underneath here, another reason why I'm digging into this today is because I noticed when I turn on the AC in the car, only when it's cold for the first couple seconds, it smells like garbage. So I'm going to try and see if there's a drain or something that might be plugged for the AC condenser, or just the air conditioning in general. But anyway, that's a part of a different problem. So hope this was useful for everybody. I couldn't find a whole lot of information online about this. I'm going to take a screwdriver or something and open this right up and clean all that crap out. Yeah, go from there. So thank you guys for watching, and hope I helped someone out.